Om Shanti, good morning. In next 10 minutes we will revise today's Murli's main points. Today is 3rd February 2021. If we can recall, then we see purity has been a frequently used theme in this season. Even the revision Murlis which we have been listening during Baba's Milan or otherwise, purity has been a main theme. In today's Murli also, Baba's emphasis is on purity. So let us dive deeper. Essence. Sweet children, give everyone the message that the Father's order is become pure in this most elevated confluence is, and you will receive the inheritance of the golden age. So here the emphasis is on the term order. So there are different stages of communication like Sandesh, Updesh, and Adesh. Sandesh is the general message, Updesh is the sermons, and the Adesh is the of the higher degree order. So this is the Father's order. Father's order is become pure in this most elevated confluence is. And question is today's question is also in the connection with this thing. What easy deal should you tell everyone about? Easy deal. Answer is follow the Father's direction in this final birth and become pure, and you will receive the sovereignty of the world for 21 births. This is a very easy deal to make. So, this has to be our point of churning today. Why this deal is an easy deal? Teach everyone how to make this deal. Tell them, now remember Shiv Baba and become pure, and you will become the masters of the pure world. So, see how easy it is to become the masters of the pure world. No weapons are required, no political power is required, just we need to become pure and remember Shiv Baba. So, just for the sake of churning, if you think there is another method, some easier deal than this, then you can suggest. So, in this way, our intellect will fix on Shiv Baba's Shrimat. This is the easy deal available we have right now. So, two keywords so far, Father's order and easy deal. And both answer of for both the keywords is purity. So now point for dharna. Point 1. In order to claim a high status, constantly allow just jewels of knowledge to emerge from your mouth. Perform such actions with your thoughts, words, and deeds that you become an elevated being who follows the highest code of conduct. In this point, our keyword is the highest code of conduct. Just focusing on this keyword will help us to align all our thoughts, words, and deeds with the Shrimat. This is the time we have to perform the most elevated actions. So, how do we know the highest code of conduct? Through Murlis, in depth study of Murlis, and by observing Brahma Baba. He is the soul, the one soul who has performed all his actions as per the highest code of conduct. So, this may be a question for all of us today to churn upon. What do we really mean by the highest code of conduct? And the point 2 is promise to become pure in this last birth. Tell everyone the way to become pure. Today's blessing, may you be unshakable and immovable, and pick up virtues from others by constantly having benevolent feelings. So, what to become unshakable and immovable? How? By constantly having benevolent feelings. Its detail is, in order to make your state unshakable and immovable, be one who constantly picks up virtues. If you pick up virtues in every situation, you will not fluctuate. To pick up virtues means to have benevolent feelings. To see virtues in defects means to pick up virtues. So pick up virtues from even those who have defects. So just as other people are determined in their defects, so you must remain determined in your virtues. Become a customer of virtues, not of defects. Although it looks very easy, but if we observe carefully, it is a difficult task for many people. So we need to ask ourselves, am I really picking up virtues from everyone, even from the ones who have defects? Is it so? And see, Baba has established connection of this thing, this finding virtues and defects with our stage of unshakable and immovable. It means, what are the things which make us shakeable and movable? Just seeing the defects of others. So if we reverse the process, we can become easily unshakable and immovable. And the easy trick is benevolent feelings. As Baba says, सब अच्छा है, सब अच्छा है, अच्छा हो जाएगा. अच्छा अच्छा कहते हैं सब अच्छा हो जाएगा. Slogan, those who offer everything they have to the Father and become light are angels. So this is another definition of angels. Who are the angels? Those who offer everything they have to the Father and become light. So there are many important keywords today to churn during the day. We can churn these points, or we can practice these points during traffic control also. So on the basis of today's Murli's point for self-respect, maybe I am a pure soul. I am making, or I have made, this easy deal with the Father, and I am an instrument to tell everyone about this easiest deal. I am following the Father's direction in this final birth. I am the one who is following the highest code of conduct. I am an unshakable and immovable soul. I have benevolent feelings for all. Whole day, my task is to pick up virtues from everyone, even from those who have defects. And I am an angel, a double light angel. So this is today's Murli. So you can share your churning important points in the comment box below. So everyone benefits from this. So let us stay in remembrance for a few moments. Om Shanti.